Dublin city centre last night. The large crowds around South William Street raising concern and prompting warnings about adhering to public health guidelines. The clean-up in Dublin took place this morning, while there were also clean-up operations in Cork and Galway after large crowds gathered in public spaces last night.
There's always a risk of complacency as the society opens up further, but one thing we know about this virus is it has caught us at every stage, and there's a strong potential for it to catch us again, so it is about keeping diligent.
We are encouraging people to get outdoors. It is much safer to be outdoors than indoors, but the rules still apply. Local lockdowns and local restrictions are a policy option. They're there in the government's plan, and they are a policy option if we've an outbreak in a particular area. But we've had mixed results with them in the past, unfortunately.
Most of the rubbish from last night's gathering here on South William Street has now been cleared, but business groups are calling for more bins, more public toilets and better planning for similar events that are likely to take place across the summer.
2 or 3 businesses at about 3 o'clock on a Saturday having to say, I'm so fed up. There's just people sitting on my shop front, drinking, smoking. You can't operate a business like this.
As people enjoyed more sunshine today, public health experts were sounding words of caution about the ongoing risk COVID-19 poses as the country continues to reopen, particularly with regard to the variant of the virus first detected in India.
Yeah, that variant, the B1617 it's called, that is more transmissible. So again, in a crowd, it might transmit more. So the question is, was that variant there last night? Let's hope it wasn't, because that increases risk even more. The good news is vaccines should protect against severe disease with that variant. But still, it's more evidence that we've got to keep our guard up.
You know, it depends on your age how likely you are to get really sick and need to come into hospital with COVID. So if you have loads and loads of younger people getting infected with COVID, even if it's a small percentage, if you have a huge number of people overall, you're still going to get young people ending up very sick in hospital.
There are plenty of rays of sunshine providing hope that we are successfully recovering from the pandemic, but it's clear challenges still remain on that journey. Angus Cox, RTE News.